Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft a lantern in Minecraft. So in order to do this, first let me show you the recipe. Let's right click on our workbench, here place the torch in the middle and get the iron nuggets, place them on all of the sides. Here's a lantern and now we can place it somewhere or just use it how you want. And now to get the resources. So first thing is a torch. To get the torch you'll need some wood. To be exact, you need the wood planks and a wooden log, then craft the planks and then get the sticks, place the sticks and then get the coal. Coal looks like this. That's the coal. And craft some torches. Next is a iron nuggets, and to craft them simply get your workbench, put some iron in one place and that way you'll get a bunch of the nuggets. And that's basically it. Another thing is just the iron ore that looks like this, so simply find it in the world and mine it with a pickaxe. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.